Some of the greatest plans in history were never announced. They were built silently, patiently over years. And sometimes the most powerful revenge is not anger, but a well planned strategy. It has the potential to change future somehow in a positive way. This is the story of a man whose quiet determination changed the destiny of an entire empire. Welcome back to my talks. In this series we explore timeless lessons about strategy, power and human nature inspired by the ideas from the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. And today's lesson is Law 3, Conceal Your Intentions, a principle that has shaped some of the most remarkable and life-changing moments in history. More than 2000 years ago, the Indian subcontinent was a land of powerful kingdoms and political intrigue. Among them stood the mighty kingdom of Magadha, ruled by the wealthy and influential Nanda dynasty whose king was Dhananand. Their armies were vast, their treasury was unmatched, and their rule appeared unbreakable. During this time lived a brilliant scholar named Chanakya, a teacher, philosopher, and a master strategist whose understanding of politics and human nature was extraordinary flabbergasting. There is a saying in Mahabharata, मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है, which means the one who gives his life as he wishes, and the one who has the power to take life as he wishes is the Almighty. His ideas later shaped one of the greatest works on the statecraft ever written, the Arthashastra. But before he became famous, Chanakya was simply a scholar struggling to get recognition as per his talent and strategical mastery. One day Chanakya visited the royal court of Magadha. Instead of respect, he was mocked and humiliated by the king Dhananand. The court laughed, the king dismissed him, and in that moment the Chanakya quietly made a vow to destroy the Nanda empire. But Chanakya did not react with anger. He did not announce his intentions with others, as decisions and strategies has to be kept secret, as even a single leak could be a passage by to defeat you by your enemies. Instead, he walked away from the court and began preparing. During this time, he discovered a young boy with extraordinary potential. That boy was Chandragupta Maurya. Chanakya trained him relentlessly in warfare, leadership, diplomacy, and strategy. Slowly, patiently, they began building alliances and gathering supporters. Years passed, and the rulers of Magadha never realized the quiet force that was growing beyond their sight. When the moment finally arrived, Chandragupta Maurya led a powerful campaign that overthrew the Nanda dynasty. From this victory emerged a new and mighty empire, the Mauryan Empire, and behind this transformation stood the silent strategy of Chanakya. This movement reflects a powerful principle of strategy of concealing your intentions, because when people clearly understand your plans, they can prepare against you. But when your true intentions remain hidden, your actions become unpredictable, and your unpredictability creates true and unbeatable power. And today, the same principle applies in leadership, competition, business, or negotiation. Revealing every plan too early can weaken your position. Sometimes the strongest move is not announcing a strategy but preparing it quietly. History often remembers the rulers who sit on thrones, but behind many great empires stand minds that shape events from the shadows. Chanakya reminds us of a timeless truth. Real power does not always speak loudly. Sometimes the greatest strategies are the ones no one sees coming. This was Law 3, Conceal Your Intentions, and this is Mahi Talks. In the next episode, we'll explore another fascinating insight into strategy and human nature. Thank you for watching and stay tuned with us to become powerful and vicious.